Okay, so today we're going to create a file that you can use to have your name on a project without having to scroll your name with your mouse on the snipping tool after you've taken a picture. So we're going to obviously select our working directory first. I'm going to choose Creo, make sure that that is in Google Drive up there, and press OK. I'm going to click New, and it's still going to be a part, and I'm going to name it Name. Oh, well, I had already tried this one, so you will be able to name it Name. Okay, so I'm going to choose the top plane. I'm going to choose Extrude and Sketch View. Now I'm going to choose the text tool. And when I choose the text tool, I have to tell it where I want the top of the text to be and where I want the bottom of the text to be. So I'm going to just draw a vertical line here and tell it about how tall I want the letters to be. And then I'm going to put my last name in there. And as you can see here, my name is upside down, and that's okay. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And then I'm going to use my selection arrow and click on the name. And then I'm going to click on this little icon that has the double arrowed line in it with the arrow that's turning around it. And this is going to enable me to rotate my name. So now I have my name right side up, and I can press OK. I can also drag it at the corner and make it bigger or smaller, depending on how big I want it to be. All right, so I'm going to press OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on it again. And if I double click on it, then I can select a different font. So I'm going to go down here. We don't have a ton of options, but let's see what this gives us. Oh, I kind of like that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and press OK. And my sketch is about where I want it to be, so I'm going to press OK again. And then that extrudes it. I'm going to shift this down. And if I rotate it, you'll see it's super big. So I can either pull this down manually by dragging on that yellow circle, or I can make this, I'm going to make it a depth of 15. It doesn't need to be thick. It just needs to show my name. And I'm going to press OK. All right, now I don't really want a gray name. So I'm going to go to View, and I'm going to go to Appearances, and I'm going to go down here to More Appearances. And I'm going to go here to Color, because gray is boring. And I'm going to come up here to Color Wheel, and I'm going to choose, that looks good. Okay, so now I have kind of a periwinkle color, and I'm going to go ahead and close that and choose that, the ball, and actually I'm going to click it again. All right, now when I have the paintbrush, I'm going to hover over one of the planes, and when I engage with the plane with my mouse, it's going to highlight everything. So I'm going to click on it, and it won't look like it does anything, but you see that everything's outlined in green, and I press OK. And now I have a name that's in a font that I think is kind of cool, and I can go to File and Save. And now when I do my assembly file, I can just import my name, and then I don't have to worry about putting my name on the snip. All right, hopefully that made sense.